Hi everybody. So today I want to share with you some tips to help you through those first days or weeks of the paleo diet, which in my experience I found them very hard. I decided when I decided to adopt the paleo diet, I decided to do it all at once and remove all non-paleo things, and I found it very hard. When you do it gradually, it's much easier, but anyway, still it's quite a shock to your system. So I want to give you some tips that really helped me and that have helped other people I know. They have helped my husband and other relatives, and so I think they are going to help you too. The first tip I have is to eat often. Don't let yourself get hungry. When you're letting yourself get hungry, you start craving right away all the things that you shouldn't be eating. So you're making sure before you get hungry, you're eating something and you keep eating, because your sugar is going to go down and you don't want to feel terrible. But if you keep eating throughout the day, it makes things much easier. Another tip I have is to have enough fat. So you're removing a lot of sugar and a lot of carbs from your diet, so you want to replace those with healthy fats. Fats are good for you, and they're not going to make you fat, and they're not going to give you more acne, and they are just full of benefits as long as they're good fats, of course. Have coconut oil and avocados and nuts and eggs. They're amazing for you, and they really help you go through the day. They keep you full for a long time. Another tip I have is to have snacks with you all the time. I made a video a short time ago. I'll leave the link down below, talking about my favorite snacks. So they are snacks that are very easy to find, and you can make them yourself and you can take them to places, and they're delicious and they're very good for you. And if you have them with you all the time, then you're not tempted to be eating things that you shouldn't be eating. It's very important to have snacks with you all the time because you're gonna get hungry a lot. The first days of the paleo diet, you're going to be very hungry all the time. You're gonna be eating a lot, so you want to make sure you have enough snacks with you all the time. Have lots of vegetables. Having in the morning a vegetable smoothie is a really great thing because you're getting lots of fiber, and fiber will keep you going for a long time because it's going to keep you full for a long time. So it's key. Vegetables are amazing for fiber. Stay hydrated. I was reading the other day on the internet, and a lot of people, when we are thirsty, we actually believe we are hungry. And so really make sure you're hydrated all the time. You should do this all the time anyway, but it's particularly important on the first days of the paleo diet to be very hydrated. Get rid of all the non-paleo unhealthy things from your house. You can't be really craving so much when it's not there. So, if I had some bagels here in my house, I would be just thinking about them all the time. If I had brownies, I would be thinking about them all the time, and probably I would end up eating them. But because I don't have them here, I eat what I have, and it just makes things much easier. This is a tip that I find very important. I really learned it the hard way, and it's not to have intense exercise the first days on the paleo diet. When I started the paleo diet, I decided to do it just all right away, and after about 2 or 3 days I went to the gym, and as soon as I started doing some jumping squats, I felt I was gonna die right there. I felt so bad. I had to stop and eat carbs, so it was ruined. All the effort I had made for the last 3 days was lost. So take it easy on the first days. Do things that are a bit more gentle, and with time, and when you feel better, then you're gonna be feeling okay. I feel good now. I can have my usual workouts, or maybe you're gonna find, like I did eventually, that I was able to work out, just a lot more intense. But the first days, really, just take it easy. Don't do it alone. This is such an important tip, whether it's the paleo diet or whether just any diet you're starting. When you are with somebody else, It keeps you motivated, and it's easier to get through those hard moments of feeling terrible, feeling stressed out. When you're with somebody, it just makes things easier and makes things more fun, keeps you more motivated. So yeah, do it with somebody in your family, or with a friend, with a colleague. Find somebody if possible. And another tip would be to plan your food in advance. It's very important that you always know the day before. For example, for me, I always know today, I know what I'm gonna eat tomorrow, and I know what's in the fridge, and I know what I'm taking with me tomorrow if I'm going out. All those things I know, and that makes everything easier, makes everything more predictable, more reliable, and then you're not gonna be having to get really hungry and rushing to get, I don't know, a hot dog or something. And another tip I have is don't go crazy with fruit. I've seen lots of people that start on the paleo diet, and then they start eating fruit all day, and it's really not ideal. Yeah, fruit is amazing for you, and I eat fruit every day, but keep it small. There is a lot of other healthier snacks to have. And I'm not saying fruit's unhealthy, but when you're eating fruit all day, it's really not ideal. Especially if you want to lose weight or get rid of acne and bring your blood sugar down. So yeah, and there's a lot of wonderful snacks out there. And so these are very simple tips, but they make a very big difference. They certainly made a big difference to me, and they have made a difference to other people that I have converted to the paleo diet. So I believe they're going to help you too, and as you can see, they're very easy to follow. If you have any more tips that you would like to share, I would love to read about them. Please let me know about them in the comments down below. And well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.